Hello everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve rational equation. Suppose we have x over 5 plus 1 over 4 equals x over 2. To find the value of x, the first thing we need to do is to remove the denominator, which is 5, 4, and 2 by finding the LCD. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will get the multiple of these three. So we have the multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, and so on. While the multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. While the multiple of 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, and so on. Okay, as you can see, the common multiple is 20. We can say that the least common multiple is 20. Now, what we're gonna do is we will multiply the equation by 20. So let's write again the equation. We have x over 5 plus 1 over 4 equals x over 2. So we will multiply it by 20. Okay, so 20 times x, we have 20x. Let's just copy first the denominator. Then 20 times 1 is 20. Copy the denominator, equal. So 20 times x is 20x. Copy the denominator. After that, we will divide the numerator and the denominator. So 20x divided by 5 is 4x. Copy the plus sign. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Copy the equal sign. So 20x divided by 2 is 10x. Next, we will apply the addition property of equality. And using that, so this 10x, we will combine it to 4x. Okay, so it will become 4x minus 10x. Look at the sign, it changed from positive to negative or minus. Then we have 5, we will move it here, so we have negative 5. From plus 5, it becomes negative 5. Then we will combine like terms. So 4x minus 10x, we have negative 6x. Then copy the negative 5. Now as you can see, the variable x is have 6. So we need to remove negative 6. We will divide both sides by negative 6 so that we can cancel this out. So the remaining variable is x equals negative divided by negative is positive, so we have positive 5 over 6. So this is the value of our x. Let's do another example. Suppose we have x plus 3 over 4 equals x plus 6 over 6. Again, the first step is to remove the denominator by multiplying it by LCD. So we get the LCD of 4 and 6. So the multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. The multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, and so on. Okay, as you notice, the least common multiple is 12. So therefore, we will multiply this equation by 12. Okay, so let's write again the equation. We have x plus 3 over 4 equals x plus 6 over 6. So we will multiply it by 12, both sides. Okay, so 12 times x plus 3 over 4. So what will happen is we divide 12 by 4. So the answer is 3. So we cancel 4 and 12. So we got 3. Okay, then 12 times x plus 6 over 6. So we cancel this 12 and 6, or we divide 12 by 6, and the answer is 2. Okay, so now this new quotient, we will multiply it in the inside the parentheses. So we have 3. Okay, so let's just write first the simplified form. 3x plus 3 equals x plus 6 times 2. Okay, next, let's distribute the 3 inside the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3, we have plus 9 equals, so 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 6, we have 12. Now we combine like terms. So all variable, all the terms that has variable x, we will put it here. So it will become 3x minus 2x. Copy the equal sign, then the constant, which is 12, then the 9, we will put it here by applying the addition property of equality. So we have minus 9. Now we simplify. So 3x minus 2x is x. 12 minus 9 is 3. Therefore, the value of our x is 3. Okay, so let's do another example. Suppose we have x plus 2 over 3 equals 3x minus 2 over 6. Again, the first thing we need to do is to get the LCD. And the LCD of 3 and 6, okay, so the 3, we have 3, 6, 9, and so on. And 6, we have 6, 12, 18, and so on. Notice that the least common multiple is 6. Okay, so we want to multiply the equation by 6. So we have x plus 2 over 3 equals 3x minus 2 over 6. So we will multiply it by 6. Okay, both sides. So 6 times x plus 2 over 3. So we cancel this out. We have 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 6 times 3x minus 2 over 6. So we cancel this out. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Okay, so 1 times 3x minus 2 is 3x minus 2. So now we have left with 2 times x plus 2 equals 3x minus 2 times 1. So let's just copy first. We have 2 times x plus 2 equals 3x minus 2. Now we distribute. 3 times x is 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Then copy 3x minus 2. Now we combine like terms. So we will put 3x here. So we have 2x minus 3x. Then copy the equal sign. We have negative 2. Then the positive 4, we will put it here. So we have minus 4. Next, we subtract 2x minus 3x, or 2 minus 3 is negative 1x, or simply negative x. Then equal negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. Okay, because we have negative both sides, so we divide it by negative 1. So we have negative divided by negative is positive, so we have positive x equals 6. Therefore the value of our x is 6. Let's do another example. Suppose we have x over x minus 2 plus 1 over 5th equals 2 times x over x minus 2. Okay, so again, the first thing we need to do is to get the LCD. Here, our LCD is just the denominator, or the product of the denominator. So we have x minus 2 and 5. So that's our LCD. Okay, so our LCD is x minus 2 times 5. So we will multiply our equation by this denominator. So our LCD is x minus 2 times 5. And we will multiply this by the equation x over x minus 2, okay, plus 1 over 5th equals 2 over x minus 2. Okay, if we multiply this LCD inside here, so we get to cancel the x minus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, here. Okay, so it will be cancelled, so we left only 5 times x, or 5x. Then if we multiply this x minus 2 times 5 from 1, okay, so we get to cancel the 5. Okay, so we only left with x minus 2. Then if we multiply this LCD from 2 over x minus 2, so we get to cancel the x minus 2, and we're left with 5 times 2. Okay, and 5 times 2 is 10. Now we combine like terms. So 5x plus x is 6x minus 2, 10. Then we put negative 2 here. So to combine the like terms, we have 10 plus 2 equals 6x. Now we eliminate the 6 by dividing both sides by 6. Okay, so by the way, 10 plus 2 is 12, so we write 12. Now we eliminate 6 by dividing both sides by 6, so we divide it by 6. So we cancel this. Now we have left with x equals 2. So this is our answer. Now it's your turn. So try this. Suppose we have 5 over x minus 1 over 3 equals 1 over x. Find the value of x.